SES is a hire business and procurement business.
We have a lot of experience in the team. We have a very large focus on customer service. So SES specialises in a variety of tools and equipment. Is mechanical, electrical, we cover lifting equipment, rope access, we have torquing equipment and in general power tools. So customer satisfaction, SES is everything.
So before MCS, the way that everything was done was very disjointed and chaotic, with all departments and sections of the business working independently.
So it was very time consuming because everything was paper based. You had to input it into the system, print it off, get it signed if it was a purchase order, put it in an envelope to post it out to the customer.
The biggest benefit is just having one system that does everything, having one operating system rather than lots of bits and pieces that were added on. Now with MCS, everyone is using the same diary, the same information to work together. This allows from the electricians in the workshop to the logistics team to all know the progress of all the orders and just exactly where they are.
I think within that industry we've got to be very reactive to customer needs. You know, if a customer sends me an inquiry for a specific tool, I can within minutes see how many we have available and then relay that information back to the customer. Best benefits of MCS is everything being on the system. At the click of a button you can, pull up an order from a year ago if needed.
So customers are more satisfied now because they can now go onto the customer portal and pull off user manuals, certification and weekly on-hire reports themselves without having to come to us, so they can go and run that report on a daily basis if they want and pull off all certification as and when required.
In the middle of the night, if someone has to access certification, it's there for them.
Since the introduction of MCS, I think as a business we've all found it relatively easy to use, from our workshop labourers to our lead hire desk coordinators.
Purchase orders, invoices, reports, everything are all created within MCS and can be PDF'd and emailed out to customers.
So MCS definitely helps us grow faster as a business. It streamlines a lot of the processes, removes a lot of the admin burden that we previously had by centralising everything in one place.
And slowly over the years everyone has bought into it and is a fan of it now.